This is the only country we have, and it belongs to all of us, especially those who are always want to commit crimes, as it were, particularly those who have inclinations towards negative politics, that we don't have to engage in crime to participate in national affairs, that we can have differences of opinion and live in the same place, that there's nothing wrong with you having a different opinion from ours, but you have to obey the law, because the law is blind to creed, to gender, to status, to your wealth, or to anything. On the illegal gambling machines, I want to repeat it here again. We have agreed with the national government administration officials. We will collect these illegal gambling machines from the villages and from wherever they are. I want to ask you to be ruthless, to be firm, and not to be intimidated by anybody. In fact, the most amazing thing is that I am told that there are parts of this country where certain people, we don't even know whether they actually have genuine travel documents from outside the country, are operating illegal gambling machines. How can that happen in a country where we have a serious government structure such as we do? I want to ask you, commanders, to take on this problem in your respective areas of jurisdiction so that we wipe out these illegal gambling machines once and for all.